Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove lag in Windows 11 and make your PC faster. This will work for every computer running Windows 11, from low-end to high-end PCs. So to start off, we will have to disable startup apps. This will help because there will be less apps running on the background. Right-click the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Now, you will see a couple of icons on the left of your screen. You will have to go to Startup Apps. Now, you will see a couple of apps. These apps are being started when you turn on your PC. You will have to disable as much as you can of these, like I do, as you can see. Now, going into the second way to make your Windows faster is by cleaning up your PC's storage. You can do this by hitting the Windows key and typing in Storage Settings. Now click on it and you will see how your storage is divided into different categories. I'd recommend you to deleting all the unnecessary applications and files that you don't need, just like how I do. And the last way to make your Windows faster is by changing the power plan. You can do this by clicking the Windows button on your keyboard, then typing in Power Plan, and then click on Choose a Power Plan. You should have around 2 to 4 options here. If you're on a laptop, I would recommend leaving it on balanced so it won't drain your battery. But if you're on a desktop PC, you can put it on high performance or even ultimate performance if you can select it. I hope this video has helped some of you out. If it did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And goodbye.